E, is it stopped? Look over, see if it stopped, E. I think it's broke. It's not working. Oh my God. Did I miss you?
Yeah, I missed 2 drops.
Oh, I tried. Can't believe you fell for that. Oh, boat. Oh, he's gonna get that sand. Gonna get the sand. It did, E, it worked. Stop! We finally got the vacuum for a pool. Alright, anyway, are you gonna help me with it later? Not right now, but I'm gonna unbox it and read through the instructions. You help me launch it? We'll launch it like it's a boat, a ship, setting for to sail.
Okay.
Alright, we'll do it together. Come on, criminal dogs. Alright, so we got the new Aiper Seagull Pro robot vacuum. We've had some great success with Aiper vacuums in our previous pool, so we opted to go with this new vacuum. And the pool desperately needs it, as you saw from the previous video. It's just horrifyingly hard to use that big old vacuum hose with no deck especially. So we desperately wanted to get back to using the robot, and here it is. And this guy sure does look beautiful. So let's unbox it together. Let's see what's in here. Now, Aiper is like the iPhone of vacuum cleaners. They package it very nicely. It comes, of course, with the hook to pull it out. Remember, we attached a rope and a float previously. That hook is very clever. You just attach it to your skimmer pull and all that. The adapter's monstrous, but that's because it charges it so fast. So it's big, and it is not waterproof. So I wouldn't put that out in the rain. I mean, as far as I can tell, it's not waterproof. So I wouldn't charge it outside, in the rain or something. This hook is really nice. So you just, instead of your skimmer or a brush, you just put that on there. Anyway, here's the device, and it looks like a Porsche. It's definitely a sports car robot. It's got this nice little basket in there with pretty fine filters, which they've used in the past, and it works good. Actually captures sand, and it's my understanding that you can get a different basket with a different size filter, the filtration there. But this is just the standard one, and it'll probably do just fine, but we'll see. But it's very well engineered. It's certainly, everything fits good. It's not cheap. Everything's very nice, and the controls are simple. You've got 4 positions. One's off, and then you have just the floor and the sides, that sort of thing. Underneath are the brushes, and they're just like a kind of a soft rubber, so it's not harsh on our vinyl siding, which is good, but it'll definitely clean dirt and stuff like that off of it. Anyway, this guy sure is a beauty, and I think after we charge it, we're gonna give it a go. Right. E, check it out. The LED light, it's changes colors. So when it's green, it's charged up enough to go. It was blue before, and it changes colors. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and put it. Oh, and look at this. This is the modes. It's kind of neat, these modes. It's easy. So if it's on the bottom, all by itself, that's just the floor. All by itself on the sides is just the sides, and that's the sides of the top. We're just going to do the bottom. What do you think, E? Just do the bottom the first time?
Yeah, no.
Why not?
It's heavy.
How do you know? It is not heavy. Well, it's not light. Well, so we want to put this little rubber thing on this to keep the water out of it. If you let the water in there, I suspect that it will break. Okay, so I'll carry it then. Don't you need extra? Isn't this PE? Wait, are you gonna wear flip-flops? Hey, this is exciting. It's like launching a new ship. Actually, I think... Well, here, let's do it. Let's turn it on here, and then I'll just drop it in the shallow end. But look at that. Look at the see the sand keeps coming up. So, you want to turn it on, E? You just got to turn the switch clockwise, so that way.
I don't know my clock.
Well, what way does the clock go?
That way.
Correct. So clockwise on this would be that way, and we want. So this is where the indicator is. So we bring that around to here. You want to do it, or you want me? Yeah.
This way.
Yeah. Whoa, not so far. Spaz, you went all the way around. Or did you? Wait. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wait a minute. We got to put it in the water.
You're forgetting to tell it back. You gotta go in the pool.
No, I have this. But it's sinking like a submarine.
How do you get it?
They give you a hook. That was a good question, though. Either that, or you got to go swimming. Why not? Oh, looky. Well, once we get the heater on, E, we're gonna definitely go in. Oh, there goes E. It's gonna go in the deep end. It's going in the deep end. See if it gets lost down there. Yeah. So E, what we gotta do next is we gotta see if all the stuff it gets in the basket when it's done.
Why is there so much dirt in our pool already?
Well, I don't know, E. I think it's because you don't wear a clean bathing suit when we go swimming. That's not it?
I don't
No.
know how we can like sand.
It works, it just sucked up a bunch of stuff. It's got a basket in there, and it stays in the basket. So when I pull it out, it'll all be in that basket. No, because I'm a man.
Go in there.
Well, I would if it was necessary. I would go in if you went in with me. Yeah, it works though. I saw it pick up that whole string of sand. Alright, hey, jump in there now. I command it.
No. I'll die.
It's not that cold, E. E, is it stopped? Look over, see if it stopped, E. I think it's broke. It's not working. Oh my God. Did I miss you?
Got me with 2 drops.
Oh, I tried. Can't believe you fell for that. That was broke. Oh, see, it's gonna get that sand. It's gonna get the sand. It did, E, it worked. Stop! Injury. Why are you so mean? I'm gonna catch you and throw you in. Come on, E, man up. You could get in.
Well, why can't you?
I don't know. Alright, look. What would it take for you to swim in there and take me some good video of my guy in there? My robot of doom.
No.
How many Robluxes? Wait, you don't like Robux. What skin?
No.
How about this new Spider-Man suit?
No.
Well, what would it take? $2 million.
No.
Seriously?
It's cold.
You would go in for $2 million? Wait, what would you handle that spider for, but you wouldn't go in the pool? We're getting the heater hooked up, though. So we'll be able to go in. I mean, I would go in there. It isn't that bad.
Then go in.
I don't have my bathing suit on. And it's no fun going in by yourself. I mean, if I have to be a man by myself, it's no fun. Hey, come here a minute. Come on. Just come over here. Come on. Don't run.
No.
Don't resist. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Do not resist. Well, you need a ball. Fail.
No.
Fail,
You
fail. Hey, you think we can play basketball with this while that thing finishes vacuuming the entire pool? I gotta get my head thingy. You wanna play basketball with that? See if you can even make a basket.
It doesn't fit.
Just see what happens. Maybe it'll just sit there and that counts. Well, I think you actually have to hit the basket. No. 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 Huh. Score. Look at that. That's the actual score. It's possible. You want to play?
Sure.
I gotta go get my headband. Yeah. Alright, who starts? To 5. Oh, and no goaltending, knocking it out. Because that's, you gotta do it the hard way. Actually make it. Oh. Alright, first one to 2.
No, no. At least I can grab it.
You saved it.
Yeah, I'm hurt. Huh.
Oh, go join your friend the Hornet out there somewhere. Do you surrender? You want to get the real ball? Honestly, I don't think we're ever going to score.
First to one.
Alright, first one to one. Because that's really hard. Scoring with a giant ball. Oh, go ahead.
Oh.
You'll never make it.
That's my ball.
No, you cheated! It was gonna score, man. That was gonna score.
It wasn't technical yet.
It was going. That's goaltending.
No, I'm tired.
Face kick.
I'm tired.
I win. Well, the wind doesn't get you under the water.
Yeah, but when you step out,
Well, you go this far. I went this far. And no throwing each other in, because it really is chilly and that's uncomfortable. And I have electronic devices on me. See, electronic device.
But what if you push me?
I won't. The deal.
I have nothing on me.
Super sword oath.
But you wanted to catch me.
I was kidding, obviously. I could have caught you in 1 second if I used my super speed.
You wouldn't be able to make it that far.
Come on, I just want to see if you can do it like a man. Go ahead.
It's like stepping in an ice bath, but actually with ice in it.
You know, athletes actually do that, get into ice baths.
Yeah.
Are you an athlete?
No.
Oh. So you... Actually, now it's not cold anymore, see?
No, it's cold.
It's still cold?
You know, when something gets really cold, you get hot.
Yeah,
And it burns.
Are we going to the next step? Can you do? Because this is as far as I can go. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'll lift up some of my...
Yeah, because I don't want my pants, wet either. Well, your pants aren't even near low. Oh, it's close. As close as mine.
Alright, well, I'm going to freeze.
You don't want to go chase it, E?
No.
For $2 million.
You can go.
Doll hairs.
You can go.
Will you give me $2 million hairs?
I'll find it.
Well, how would you come up even with a doll to give me the hair from?
I don't know. Oh.
80%. I don't think it's getting it. Hey, we should take it out and look at all the stuff that it got. Not so bad. It'd be a lot easier with the deck, guys. And then unhooking. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. So that's a relatively short period of time that it's in there. And that's a lot of gook. If I put it in there the whole time and did the walls, this thing would be filled with stuff. Alright, GG. I'm gonna clean that, charge it, and toss it in tomorrow. Maybe we'll go scuba diving with it to see what it looks like when it's zooming around under the water. Alright.